Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Monday, the 29th of June. We're almost done with the month, and it's going to be a beauty of a day. Looking forward to getting outside here this morning, doing a little bit of gardening, because I think it's going to be real tough later on this week with the really hot temperatures. So today we're in the 70s at the coast, low 80s inland. Strong sunshine. Sun rose this morning, or will rise at 5:10. 3 minutes off the latest mark, and we're losing time in the afternoon as well, just a few seconds there. So by the time we get to the early part of next month, we go from losing under a minute to over a minute, and then you know where it goes from there. So temperatures this week are going to be real warm. We get into the 80s tomorrow over inland areas, maybe staying in the 70s outer tip of Cape Ann, maybe Logan Airport, and certainly Cape Cod and the islands. You'll be in the upper 70s to near 80. We're all going to get into the 90s here, with the exception of the outer tip of Cape Ann and perhaps Cape Cod here, as we had for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. The place to be will be the beach if you don't mind the strong sunshine. And if you do go to the beach, remember that that sun is incredibly strong. We are sponsored by Hartney Graymont. Hartney Graymont for all of your arbor care needs. They have offices in Danvers, Concord, Needham, as well as on Cape Cod. Check them out for all your tree care needs, and they'll definitely come out and take a look at your property for whatever it is that you are looking for. I do think we pull back on temperatures a little bit here this weekend, but all in all, it is a very hot stretch for the second half of the week. So enjoy today. Have a great morning, everybody.